In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it available at the top and select Open in split screen view. Following that, you need to tap on a second app you wish to use, like Gallery, and then enjoy operating both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!